Okay, so this is the boiler that we have. Water's going to come in right here. This is your intake. That's what you hook up to the customer's home. In order to test it here, you're going to crack this just a titch. Water's going to pour out of there. Then you're going to flip on your pump. Especially when we're doing shoots in the wintertime and everything's really cold, we really need to make sure that this guy is working. On warm days, we're going to cook the liner at 180 degrees. On colder days, we may get the boiler up to 200 degrees. So with this, I don't have the power onto it right now, but you would turn on the pump. Water's going to start flowing out of this. This will be your heated water. It's marked PEX here because when we're doing the cal tube, this runs to the PEX all the way down to the cal tube. With that, we're going to kick our burner on and we're going to turn the heat just to the first setting there, which on this is 82 degrees. And you're going to hear that fire up, and then the steam's going to come out of that right away. This is instantaneous, so it'll get you to 180 degrees instantaneous. So be very careful with the hot water coming there. Once you know that it's all running, then we can power it down to wait until we shoot the cal tube. This is our test. This is the return or the pressure relief valve that's coming out. Once we're running the cal tube, you're going to want this incoming temperature that's recircling back to get up to 125 degrees. Once it hits 125 degrees, that's when we start our timer. We start cooking for 30 minutes. The pressure should stay somewhere between 10 and 12 degrees. This will stay cracked just so that you have some pressure relief going on. And that's how we use our boiler.